Strengthening Faith 92. I had a thought which I wanted to share. One of the main reasons why many Muslims in the modern world turn away from seeking peace of mind from learning and acting on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, is because they falsely believe that the teachings of Islam do not cater for their modern stresses, difficulties and problems. They wrongly believe that the teachings of Islam only caters for desert and village dwellers who were living in a bygone era. As a result, they only take the rituals and practices of Islam from Islamic teachings, but abandon the day-to-day living advice that is found in Islamic teachings. This is a foolish mentality, as no matter what era a people belong to, humans are still humans. Meaning the aims, hopes, aspirations, fears, anxieties and stresses faced by people over the generations have always been the same. Technology has advanced over time, but the essence and nature of humans has always been the same. Humans have not evolved into a different species so that their emotions, feelings, desires, aims and wishes are completely different from the people that came in earlier generations. Just like the older generations had the desire to gain fame, fortune, authority, family, friends and a career, so do the modern-day people. As the teachings of Islam target the essence and nature of humans, it is therefore timeless and applies to all humans till the Day of Judgment. It will only cease to apply if humans evolve into a different species, which is not going to occur. In addition, as the knowledge of Islam comes from Allah, the Exalted, the Creator of humans, the advice is accurate and encompasses every aspect of a person's mental and physical makeup. This knowledge lies only with Allah, the Exalted, and no amount of research can ever fully reveal all aspects of a human. Just like an inventor is the best person to seek advice in respect to their invention, Allah, the Exalted, alone is the best one to seek advice regarding the mental and physical well-being of a human. Finally, as Allah, the Exalted, controls the hearts of people, the station of emotions, He alone has control over whether one achieves peace of mind and body in this world and the next. Chapter 53 and Name, verse 43.
And that it is He who makes one laugh and weep.
Allah, the Exalted, has made it clear that with His remembrance and obedience lies good mental and physical health in both worlds. This involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Chapter 16 and Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
Whereas, the one who forgets Allah, the Exalted, and instead misuses the blessings they have been granted, will find no peace of mind, irrespective of how many worldly things they own. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life.
To conclude, as long as a person remains human, the timeless teachings of Islam will always apply to them, irrespective of the age they belong to. As long as they remain a creation of Allah, the Exalted, only He can give them the solution to mental and physical well-being. Seeking this elsewhere will only lead to poor mental and physical health, which is obvious if one observes social media and the news.